Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power seats are not working. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Power seats fuses are located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side right here. Now to remove the cover, there is a black tab. You want to press it and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram and here access to fuses and relays. If passenger power seat is not working, you want to check fuse number 31. It's a 30 amp fuse. And if a driver power seat is not working, you want to check the fuse next to it, which is fuse number 32. So these two fuses are responsible for power to front power seats. In case both of these are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you want to check and test the power seats switches, and if the switches are good, you want to check the wiring and electrical connections. And then the last thing, you want to check the motor underneath the seat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.